Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so today I got yet another item in the mail, so let's go ahead and open this baby up. Alright, I'm gonna set my camera down. Alright, so let's see what we got here. It's wrapped up in some strong bubble wrap. Hold on one sec, guys. Let me go grab my scissors. I apologize. I didn't expect the package to be that thick. Alright. There we go. So, here we have the Seagate Barracuda model 2000 gigabyte or 2 terabyte hard drive. Alright? Yes, it's internal hard drive, SATA. SATA interface, SATA. Alright. The reason why I got another hard drive is because unfortunately the other one I purchased about 2 weeks ago, that one died on me in a couple days. Why? I don't know. That was the first time I've ever had a hard drive die on me in ever, let alone in just a week of use. Alright. So here it is, and here is the interface. Alright, so yeah, here you guys have it. Make sure you guys still subscribe, comment, rate, share, enjoy. You never know when I'm gonna have another item coming in pretty soon, and if you guys are curious as to why I purchased this, it's because not only did my other computer, not only did the other hard drive die on me, and yes, I did return it, but also I am maxing out my Dell XPS 420 computer that was manufactured in 2007. Alright, so there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think about that. Comment, rate, like, share, enjoy, all that good stuff, and I will gladly get to you guys soon. Alright, that's all she wrote.